by cover in a concrete. Okay. So in this we going to see what is mean by cover, why it is provided and how it is provided. कॉन्क्रीट मध्ये कव्हर म्हणजे काय असतो, तो का प्रोव्हाइड करायचा आणि तो कसा प्रोव्हाइड करायचा. ओके, सो दॅट वी गोइंग टू सी इन अ डिटेल. ओके, cover is provided to the different concrete members like footing, column, beam and slab. So we going to see one by one why there is a need of, not why, first one is what is mean by cover, then why it is provided there and how it is provided. So begin with what is mean by cover. Cover म्हणजे काय. So first thing, okay, so as you can see on your screen, इकडे लक्ष द्यायचं. तर clear cover in a footing. First thing is a clear cover. There are two types of cover, clear cover and effective cover. So we are going to see further what is meant by effective cover. So begin with the clear cover. You can simultaneously focus on definition as well as the image shown on your screen. You see, the clear cover is a distance between, clear cover is a distance between outer edge of concrete. Okay, this is the outer edge of concrete surface and the outer edge of the reinforcement. Okay, this is the outer edge of the reinforcement. Simply means what? Clear cover is the distance between outer edge of concrete surface and the outer edge of bar. Means it is outer distance between bar and the concrete. That is nothing but your clear cover. Okay, and the first clear cover that we discussing now is that of clear cover in a footing. So you can see on your screen how the clear cover is provided actually on site to the footing. Okay, so whatever this portion is called as reinforcement mesh. Okay, and below that cover is provided. How it is provided, that we are going to see in the next slide. Okay, so these are the cover blocks placed below the reinforcement mesh. Okay, and the definition as you learned here, the distance between outer of the concrete to the outer of the bar, that is nothing but the cover in the concrete. Okay, and for understanding purpose you can see this figure vigorously and try to understand the concept. Don't rut it. Okay, पाठ करायचं, understand it. Okay, so clear cover is the distance between outer of the concrete surface to the outer of the reinforcement bar. That is nothing but your clear cover. You have to keep in mind outer distance. Okay, so a concrete and steel. Okay, so two things you have to keep in mind. Okay, next same thing for column. Further in the beginning I have taken more time. Now I am not going to take more time. That is clear cover in the column. Same definition. You can understood better here. Clear cover is the distance between outer edge of the concrete. You can see here. Clear cover is the distance between the outer edge of the concrete to the outer edge of the reinforcement. हे तुमचं reinforcement आहे, हे तुमचं concrete आहे. या दोघांमधलं जे काही अंतर आहे, that is nothing but your clear cover. Not only cover, it is a clear cover in a concrete. Okay, not cover of mobile cover. It is not mobile cover, it is a concrete clear cover. Keep in mind and how it is provided on site. Okay, so these are the main reinforcement bars and this is the stirrups and this is your cover block of 40 mm. Okay, that we are going to see next slide how it is provided. Okay, then next, if you understood better, okay, I will repeat again. Okay, clear cover is the distance between outer edge of concrete to the outer edge of the reinforcement bar. दोघांमधलं जे काही अंतर आहे, that is your clear cover in the concrete. मोबाईलचा cover नाही. Next, so further is clear cover in a beam and slab. Okay, as you can see the same definition. Okay, no change. Okay, it is the distance between outer to outer distance between bar and concrete surface. Okay, so you can see here this is the concrete surface. Okay, and this is the outer edge of the bar. So this distance is nothing but your clear cover. This is in beam. You can see this is the beam placement, and here is the slab placement. Okay, hope you know which type of this slab is. You can comment me. Okay, one way slab आहे का two way slab आहे? What is the type of this slab? One way आहे का two way आहे? Okay, and you tell me why. If it is one way, then it is y, and if it is two way, then it is y. Okay, what is the reason behind to provide one way slab or two way slab? Okay, so you can see on site how it is provided. So इथं तर concrete दिसत नाहीये. You are saying only concrete surface. Yes, concrete is placed here. Okay, these are the shuttering material placed before the concrete. Shuttering material असेल तर concrete टाकणार कुठं? Okay, so as you can see in last slide. Okay, here after the use of concrete, it will look like this. Okay, for better understanding. But before concreting, it will look like this. Okay, you can see here is the cover block. Okay, so this is the clear cover in a beam and slab. This is your beam and this is your slab. Tell me whether it is one way slab or two way slab, and tell me why it is provided. Okay, next. Okay, come to the next point. Okay, the next cover is effective cover. The same definition, only a minor change, and that change in a reinforcement. Okay, let's see one by one or word by word. Effective cover is a distance between. Effective cover is a distance between. You can see here outer surface. Effective cover is the distance between outer surface of the concrete to the center of the main reinforcement bar. Keep in mind, main reinforcement, not these stirrups. You can see here, this is the stirrups. But we don't have to consider the stirrups, but we have to consider the main reinforcement bar in case of effective cover. So effective cover is the distance between outer surface or edge of the concrete to the center of main reinforcement bar. That distance is called as effective cover. You will see here effective cover as well as clear cover. Okay, so you can understood the basic difference between effective cover and clear cover. Okay, in effective cover, main reinforcement bar is in consideration. In clear cover, stirrups is in consideration, but the concrete surface will remain same. Okay, hope you would differentiate clearly or understood clearly the difference between or basic difference between effective cover and clear cover. I will repeat again. Okay, clear cover is the distance between outer surface or edge of concrete to the outer surface of reinforcement, that is the stirrups, and effective cover is the outer surface or edge of concrete to the center of main reinforcement bar, not the stirrups. So by the image you would understood what is meant by effective cover and what is meant by clear cover. Okay, and this is your concrete surface. Okay, so this is these are the types of cover: effective cover and clear cover. Okay, we'll go ahead. Then next part will serve आम्हाला कव्हर म्हणजे काय समजलं. वेगवेगळे दोन प्रकारचे कव्हर असतात, इफेक्टिव्ह कव्हर अँड क्लिअर कव्हर. ओके, कव्हर म्हणजे काय, व्हॉट वी वुड अंडरस्टँड. आपल्याला काय इफेक्टिव्ह कव्हर काय असते समजलं. सर का प्रोव्हाइड करतात, उगाच आपले वेळ लागले म्हणून काय, चांगलं दिसतंय म्हणून नाही, ऐकलं बरोबर आहे ना. कॉन्क्रीट स्टील दिसलं तर चांगलं नाही दिसणार, कॉन्क्रीट असेल तर फिनिशिंग येईल त्याच्यामुळे असेल सर कदाचित, तसं नाही. तर का कव्हर प्रोव्हाइड करतात तर आपण बघू. ओके, फर्स्ट थिंग इज दॅट कव्हर इज प्रोव्हाइडेड टू प्रोटेक्ट द रेन्फोर्समेंट फ्रॉम द करोजन. फर्स्ट थिंग इज कव्हर इज वेदर इट इज क्लिअर कव्हर और इफेक्टिव्ह कव्हर, इट इज प्रोव्हाइडेड. सर साइट वरती कोणतं असतं, साइट वरती क्लिअर कव्हर असतं. ओके, इट इज जस्ट इफेक्टिव्ह कव्हर इज जस्ट अ टाइप. On site we follow clear cover, not the effective cover. Okay, so first thing or the reason why cover or that is a concrete cover is provided is that cover, concrete cover protect the reinforcement from the corrosion. Sir, corrosion म्हणजे काय, गंज लागणे वाढवणे. बघा, you can see here जर कव्हर नसेल प्रॉपर तर इथला आपलं जे काही स्टील रेन्फोर्समेंट आहे ओके दॅट विल करोड त्याला गंज लागू शकतो सर लावणे की काय होत आहे ओके तर जर गंज लागला माणसाला कोणी संपू शकत नाही स्वतःच मनच त्याला संपवतो तसं बांधकामाला कोण पाडू शकत नाही ते स्वतःच स्टीलच त्याला पाडतं कधी गंज लागल्यावर ओके सो लाईक दिस तर गंज लागलं तर ऑटोमॅटिकली इट स्ट्रेंथ विल रिड्यूसेस स्ट्रेंथ म्हणजे काय सर बांधकामाची ताकद स्टील मधली ताकद स्टीलची ताकद कमी झाली की बांधकाम पडू शकतं ओके देयर इज अ चान्सेस ऑफ फेल्युअर इन अ बिल्डिंग बिकॉज ऑफ corrosion second thing is that okay if there is a fire जर बिल्डिंगला आग लागली in that case also that cover will protect the reinforcement okay from melting जर टेम्परेचर जास्त झालं तर स्टीलची ताकद कमी होऊ शकते in that case building also fall down third one is it will ensure the durability yes if here is a proper cover you can see here is a durability problem you can see here is a proper cover here is the proper cover here is cover is not maintained properly so it is not durable so durable म्हणजे काय ते जास्त दिवस टिकणार नाही durable म्हणजे काय कमी दिवस टिकणार not durable म्हणजे लगेच पडू शकतं ते that is durability okay then cover is essential for ensuring good bond म्हणजे काय if there is a cover तुमचं कॉन्क्रीट आणि स्टील मध्ये एक प्रकारचा चांगला गुंता होईल किंवा बॉन्ड डेव्हलप होईल यू कॅन सी द एक्झाम्पल हियर इफ दॅट बॉन्ड इज नॉट प्रॉपर यू कॅन सी व्हॉट विल हॅपन टू द स्लॅब ओके सो कव्हर इज रिक्वायर्ड फ्रॉम सेफ फ्रॉम corrosion from the fire it will ensure the durability and it will increase the bond between steel and the concrete so therefore cover is necessary from corrosion from fire to save from corrosion to save from fire and increase the durability and to increase the bond between steel and the concrete for this purpose cover is necessary next how it is provided cover काय असतो आपण बघितलं cover का provide करतात बघितलं that is a concrete cover okay and the next part is how it is provided okay cover is provided with the help of this cover block so cover block म्हणजे काय you can see on your screen this is your cover block okay if you face upright it will be 40 mm if you face like this 25 mm if you like this 50 mm okay एकच cover block आहे but it will act in a different way एकच cover block आपण वेगवेगळ्या साइज मध्ये यूज करू शकतो फक्त त्याला जे तुम्हाला ज्या बाजूला पाहिजे त्याचं तोंड वरती करायचं 40 mm चं पाहिजे 40 mm चं तोंड 40 जे लिहिलेलं आहे त्याचं तोंड वरती करायचं 50 mm पाहिजे 50 चं तोंड वरती करायचं 25 पाहिजे 25 चं वरती करायचं 20 mm आहे ओके सो इन दिस वे कव्हर इज प्रोवाइडेड और maintained with the help of cover block सर कव्हर ब्लॉक आहे कशाचं बनवतात हे कॉन्क्रीटचं असू शकतं किंवा प्लास्टिकचं ओके मोस्टली कॉन्क्रीटचं वापरतात मटेरियल दोनच असतात एक तर प्लास्टिकचे कव्हर ब्लॉक असतात किंवा कॉन्क्रीटचे प्लास्टिकचे शक्यतो जास्त वापरत नाहीत बट टू टाइप्स असतात प्लास्टिक कव्हर ब्लॉक किंवा कॉन्क्रीटचे कव्हर ब्लॉक ओके मोस्टली कॉन्क्रीटचे कव्हर ब्लॉक वापरतात ठीक आहे यू कॅन सी इट्स साइजेस 20 25 आपण पुढे बघणार ठीक आहे देन क्लिअर कव्हर हेच आपण बघतो हाऊ इट इज प्रोव्हाइडेड पुढे त्यासाठी सो क्लिअर कव्हर टू द कॉन्क्रीट एन्फोर्समेंट मेंबर्स दॅट इज footing ला 50 mm column 40 mm beam 25 mm and slab 20 mm okay so these are the different depth for the cover block of different members of the axis footing ला वेगळा column ला वेगळा beam ला वेगळा slab ला वेगळा सगळ्याला एकच नसतो गेली सर एक सांगा की footing ला कशासाठी जास्त प्रोव्हाइड केलं म्हणजे आम्हाला जरा कळेल ओके तर त्याचं आन्सर तुम्ही मला सांगायचं की फुटिंगला कव्हर जास्त का as compared to column beam slab okay as I discussed in the previous slide why cover is provided if you तुम्ही जर संपूर्ण हे नीट ऐकलं असेल तर समजलं असेल तर तुमच्या लक्षात येईल की फुटिंगला कव्हर जास्त का तर that you should comment me in a comment box okay नाहीतर असं होईल की मीच आपलं बडबड जात असतो की आपलं च्या बिस्किट खात आपल्याला चाललंय ओके नॉट लाईक दॅट ठीक नेक्स्ट बघा I think it is over then thank you for learning like share subscribe okay bye